Want to transfer money from a credit card without incurring high fees? While direct cash advances from credit cards are costly, there are indirect methods that can sometimes avoid direct charges. In this guide, I'll explore strategies to transfer money from a credit card without typical cash advance fees. The most important thing to know is that direct cash advances from credit cards always come with fees and higher interest rates charged immediately. To avoid these, you generally need to avoid making it look like a cash advance. One common method is using a balance transfer offer. Some credit card companies offer special promotions to transfer balances from other credit cards with a 0% introductory APR and a lower balance transfer fee. This is not for cash, but for paying off other debts. Alternatively, if you have a credit card that allows convenience checks, you might be able to write a check to yourself or someone else. However, these often count as cash advances and incur fees. Always read the terms carefully. For pure money transfer, cash advances are the direct and costly route. And there you have it. Transferring money from a credit card without charges is tricky and often limited. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.